YouTube, it's Jalen. Hashtag dynamite. Hey, I'm back with a different video. Like this ain't no regular stuff that I do. Yeah, we doing a POV drive, y'all, but give me y'all like a different type of POV drive. In this video, you know, it's raining as y'all can clearly see. It's raining. Yeah, it's a wet day out here, no homo. Yeah, it's raining. We're in sport mode with it. It's just gonna be like a quiet POV drive for real. Like just, you know, just like little quiet stuff like that. So I can see we got the sport display up. Got that sport display up for y'all. Stuff of that nature. You can also change it like this. Y'all can see. Yeah, like I said, it's a different type of POV drive. I ain't gonna really do too much talking. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this. I give it to y'all. Damn. Car keys, house keys just fell. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, that's what we're gonna get y'all today. I don't know how it's raining, y'all, and it's hot outside. Like, that don't make sense. But yeah, it's gonna be like a little quiet POV drive. Y'all let me know. Like I said, y'all let me know if y'all want to see more of these videos. We got the interior lighting for y'all. That's the OEM lights that came with it. These green lights right here, these are the lights that I added on the car. Stuff like that. Of that nature. Also, y'all make sure y'all follow my my main Instagram. Y'all follow my main Instagram. I be doing I don't know how Instagram let us do it, but we got a group chat on there. Or they let me create a group chat. So y'all make sure y'all go follow that, join that. I be uploading like what's next mods I get. Well, I let y'all vote on what's next mods I get and all of that. So like I said, y'all go follow that. Y'all go follow that page, my main page, and join that. Join the fam in the bio, man. Y'all can vote on things. Y'all get early access to videos. Y'all get the choose what mods I get. All of that. So y'all definitely make sure y'all go vote on that. Join the fam, man. I really appreciate y'all. We're gonna just let you, we ain't gonna say too much, man. We're gonna let y'all just hit a car. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button for me, man. We're on the road to 500, y'all. We're almost there. It's a rainy day out here, man. Well, wet day ain't really raining too bad. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Can somebody please explain to me what PSI is? It's like, I know, like, I be saying it on tires, but why is mine say 0? Like, what does that mean? Please, somebody help me understand. I really don't understand what PSI mean, except for on tires. It's a little chill video, y'all. So, I mean, ain't nothing too crazy. Now, whenever I get to work, I'ma probably do some schoolwork, and then after I'm done with the schoolwork, I'ma edit this junk. We gonna put this vid out for y'all. Probably try to get this vid out today. Today, y'all. It is April 1st. So we're gonna try to get this video out today. Try to drop it before 7. Since it's a short video, we might be able to do it. It's a little traffic. I might try to get in this other lane, can't lie. Thought that was a Supra. Motherfucking Lexus. Can't hold y'all. We might try to get in this other lane. This left, I don't know how the fast lane moving slow today, y'all. God damn. I don't know. God damn, look at this big old monster truck. He got lights all on it. I'm scared. What the hell from side this nigga? Come on, speed up, go. Try to get inside this nigga. Y'all let me know though, man. Y'all, one thing, y'all been watching the videos, but y'all do not be hitting the like button. Like, what's up with y'all? That take 2 seconds, bro. If you're new to the, like, bro, if you watching the video, bro, just hit that like button for me, y'all. God damn. I forgot to tell y'all about that, bro. We be getting only 10 likes and 12 likes. But 500 views, like what? Come on, bro. Y'all got to make sure you like hit that like button for me, y'all. Please. That like button for me, man. We got the windows on, man. I don't know how it sounds though. Probably loud. I just want to get a downshift off the wall. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Yeah, I'm about to get over too, cause nigga about to hit me. This fast lane is moving slow. Bro, this fast lane is moving slow. Oh my God, I ain't mean to step on it like that. I need to get over, y'all. What the hell is that? All right, we got one. We about to get over right here. Come on, let me over. Let me over. Yeah. Y'all like, alright, we're over, guys. Hey, y'all, it's Friday, man. What y'all doing today, man? How y'all Friday about to go? I keep talking, y'all. My fault, bro. My fault. I don't know how to shut up sometimes. It's supposed to be a quiet POV. I'm over here keep chatting. My fault if the camera's shaking, y'all. Slow down. It's gonna be like a straight raw uncut, bro. Ain't gonna be no clipping, no editing of this video, probably. Well, that's the goal. That's the goal. I ain't gonna lie, I need to get over though. Airplanes. Oh, that's the car. That's the truck off. Damn, I can't even think of it. Are we there yet? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That's probably top 5. One of my favorite movies. Are we there yet? I love that jump, bro. Yo, why they y'all following me? I ain't even driving in circles and all that. Why they y'all following me, bro? About to roll the window down for y'all. Damn. That boy was loud. Jeez. I thought that freaking challenge he was gonna get behind us. It must be a grandma driving that jump. That ain't a YN. That is not a YN. But yeah, though, like I said, y'all make sure I go on my Instagram and check, join the family in the bio. Y'all get votes. I ain't gonna let y'all know, but they people in the family is people in the group chat is, hey, they debating which mod is next. I ain't gonna tell y'all, but hey, y'all want to debate which mod I'm gonna get? Join that joint and go vote. The poll closes tomorrow, Saturday, at 12 p.m., April 5th. Or is it April 6th? Yeah, April 5th. Poll closes April 5th, 12 p.m. Eastern time. So, y'all go vote. Ain't even gonna let y'all know what's hey. But it's some close votes. Everything is close except for two mods. Two mods that I thought people would have wanted to see. But hey, y'all might want to go see it. So y'all go join. Y'all go follow my main Instagram and join it. All right, we back to no talking though. This is what this video supposed to be. I always stuck behind the bus. Hey, my car not even lower. This is how I go to speed bump. You gotta turn that bum freaker. Whip it the other way. And my car not even lower. We sit up like a dump truck. I'm just preparing myself when we do get lower. Prepare myself. That is hilarious. Who else does that, bruh? Who else car not lower but still be driving over speed bumps like it is lower? That's so delusional, bruh. Yo, drive. Like, look at that one car going to just hold everybody up. The hell? That's hot. Sucks. But alright, y'all, man. This video coming to an end, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button, please, bro. We're on the road to 500. Please. Please. I know I ain't been dropping. It's just been kind of brainstorming some things. It's about to be summertime, trying to get stuff in order. I did a big thing, y'all. I don't know how it's going right now, but if you follow my car page and my main page, you'll see updates that I don't tell y'all on here. So make sure y'all go follow that. But yeah, I did a big thing. So yeah, hey, I ain't gonna tell y'all, but go follow that. Y'all would know. I ain't gonna lie. I think I went kind of crazy with that. For sure ski. I definitely went crazy. No bad. He just drove on sport mode in the rain. Thank y'all, man. I know y'all say bless me. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. So if my car was rear-wheel drive, I'd slide this corner. I'm lying. I'm capping. I'm just capping. All right, y'all. Peace out, man. See y'all in the next one.
I keep a gym full, never rental, never going out. In my hood, no clowns allowed. Falling back and reach the clouds. Gotta make my mama proud. Bring home them large amounts. You won't catch me.